Welcome to Chicago. The local time here is 3:50. We would like to ask that you please remain seated until the airplane is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. As you're leaving, please look around for any personal items that you may have brought on board. Do be careful opening the overhead bins as contents may have shifted. If you are making another connection on United Express, do double-check TV monitors for that gate information. Also, you may also go to our unitedapp.com and find that information too. All of us here at United, thank you for traveling with us. We hope to see you again soon in the near future. Good night.